The hard-working Master Tool MT900 Foot Press is a workhorse for your workshop with the capability to replace over half a dozen machines. One of the leading machines in Weaver Leather Supply's Master Tool lineup, the MT900 is handcrafted in the USA and backed by a limited lifetime guarantee. This multifunction space saver has the ability to set rivets, spots, snaps, and more, delivering increased productivity and consistent performance on all your projects. The Master Tool MT900 is a leatherworking powerhouse with a full range of well-designed attachments. Let's take a few moments to discover how easy it is to add the right attachments for your needs. Certain attachments, such as the round drive punches, can be inserted and fixed directly into the Master Tool MT900. With the included die adapter, the Master Tool MT900 can also utilize Little Wonder attachments to set a wide variety of hardware. The foot pedal can be adjusted to 3 different angles by simply loosening the nut and fixing it into one of the other holes. The depth and speed of your driver can be adjusted by moving the stroke adjustment pin from one hole to the other, or by adjusting the stop adjustment thumb wheel. The spring tension can be adjusted for comfort with the pressure adjustment thumb screw. The anvil height and position can also be adjusted. To adjust the height, first loosen the wheel, then turn the anvil height adjustment hold, then lock in the wheel. Depending on the drivers and anvils you are using, you may need to adjust the anvil placement to ensure that it is lined up with the driver by adjusting the Allen wrench screws behind the anvil. Increase this machine's capabilities even more and enhance your workflow with the following specialty attachments. The auto-feed rivet hopper allows you to set 104 rivets quickly and efficiently, making it perfect for when you've got lots of riveting to do. The 8-pocket tray allows you to keep your hardware organized and within reach. The foot press table attachment is great for holding larger projects or when working with lighter weight leather. And the Universal Foot Press Guide is the perfect tool to achieve consistent hardware placement on your projects. Save time, space, and your hands from the rigors of setting hardware with the easy-to-use Master Tool MT900. Multifunction versatility boosts consistency and productivity, making it the perfect addition to your workshop. To learn more, visit weaverleathersupply.com.